Welcome to Omso. We are happy to meet with you today remotely, a solution of these last many months of restrictions, which is the current norm. Despite all the restrictions we have had to face, we are here today and we are busy in developing and finding new opportunities, introducing our last recent printing machine, our Omso SB021 machine. Stop talking and let's move toward to the machine. Here is our new machine, SB021. Before starting, I wanted to tell you that the address that you see superimposed below allow you to participate actively. You can send your questions and for further information in real time. At the end of the presentation, we will dedicate some time to answer your questions. So we are here with our sales manager, Marco Magnani, who many of you already know, to introduce our new SB021 screen printing machine. So Marco, here we are. Let's start with name.
Yeah.
Why SB021?
Okay. First of all, hi Caterina.
Hi Marco.
Before starting to answer all your questions, please allow me to briefly thank you all, our customers who have accepted today's invitation. I therefore extend my warmest welcome to all of you. Your presence confirms for us the great trust you place in the work of Omso SPA, and for this we are very grateful. So let's start with the name.
Yes, let's start.
The name already embodies the machine's mission. Experience gained with the servo bottle, SP, and evolving times 2021-021 picks up the name SB021, thus creating an agile, evolved, convenient, and green machine.
So, agile, evolved, advantageous, and green seems like interesting features to me. So, if you agree, let's start to see the machine together. If you have previously described the machine agile, evolved, advantageous, and green, would you like to go deeper into those details, please?
Of course, I will do that with pleasure. First of all, the machine SB021 guarantees a configuration versatility ranging from 1 to 3 colors with the option to integrate a vision system to control the print quality. Quality control, as we know, it's extremely important for the end user of the machine in order to guarantee to his customers the condition of 0 defects. Very important condition, especially in the cosmetic fields. We have also developed a user and friendly interface. It is designed not to intimidate those who approach the machine for the first time. The knowledge and understanding already made on the servo bottle has led us to a further simplification of the interface, which is directed for those operators who have not yet had the opportunity to work on the servo-assisted machine and who may feel intimidated by the presence of a touch screen. We are firmly convinced that anyone who can use a smartphone will be delighted to operate this machine. The experience of an old screen printer combined with the memory function saving all the main parameters for setting the machine makes the use of the SB021 simple, reliable, repeatable, and enjoyable.
Nice.
Operation is very simple compared to any mechanical machine. We have eliminated all the transport tray, creating a reduction in the overall cost of the tooling. The cost of the tooling, as we know, it's essential, especially with small runs. Also, changeover takes place without the use of hand tools. The cost of the equipment is not secondary, especially in presence of small runs, and we know very well that nowadays small runs are the norm. The changeover also takes place without the use of tools, and it is indeed, in effect, toolless. Loading and unloading is robotic and easily to adjust. The machine is capable of printing cylindrical, oval, and complex containers. In presence of oval bottles, it is possible to print the same color on both sides by using the same color head. The color register accuracy has been gained from the servo bottle.
So, very convincing.
I hope so.
Yes, you are. Now we are coming to the last part of the SB021's mission. Perhaps the most important. We know that mindful environmental operations are crucial. So why can we define our SB021 green?
Yeah. Well, first of all, low consumption. Energy consumption is reduced thanks to the high efficiency motors and the LED lamps that consumes less compared to the mercury lamps. Moreover, LED lamps lowers drastically the energy consumption and consequently CO2 zero production. This data is visible on the statistic page of the machine software. Very important feature of the machine is the zero emission of ozone. Unlike mercury lamps, LED lamps do not produce ozone at all during the operation. Both operator as well as manager in charge of safety, they both appreciate this feature. The machine is extremely compact, as you can see, less bulky, and excellent for small businesses where the floor space is vital. We have also opted for high quality components, as we usually do for all our machines, components which can easily be found on the market. Last but not least, an affordable and profitable investment.
So, I think you have explained to us all the main features of the new Omso machine. You did.
I tried to my best.
You did, Marco, you did. Helping us to understand how optimization is not the result of exercise, but the result of a great deal and research and development of our team. During the chat, we received a few questions
I can see that.
on our chat, great, which is still active. And for example, those are the first two. So, is it possible to connect remotely?
Yes, it's possible. It's a very important feature of the machine. We can easily connect whenever the customer makes a call. We can connect to the machine and we can help our customer as quick as we can, and it's a very, very important feature of the machine.
Okay. The second one is what power do LED lamps have?
Yes, it's the same power we have already used on the servo bottle machine, and it's 16 watts.
Okay, thank you. So I would like to remind you that you will have to receive all email answers to all questions that, due to time constraints, we will not be able to answer today.
Of course.
We have come to the end of today's presentations. We thank Marco for all the information provided, and we thank Fabrizio, who showed us how simple it is to operate our SB021. Of course, we want to thank you, all of you who have followed us during our journey. We hope to be able to see you soon in Omso, to be able to physically touch and experience firsthand what you saw in today's presentations. Our sales department, of course, is at your disposal and will be in contact with you to collect your impression and also, if you wish, to arrange a personalized visit and the viewing of samples. Greetings to all of you, and we hope to see you soon. Thank you.